Welcome DP Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered why we judge these massive AI brains just by their final answers? Like, does it sound right? But what if the real story is in how they think, what data they use, how they reason? That's the gap we're diving into. So meet our detective toolkit, LLM WhiteBox EvalLab V1. Think of it as a high-tech magnifying glass for LLMs. We're not just looking at the answer, we're dissecting the process. It uses this cool framework called DIKWP: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose, and throws curveballs with 3 no scenarios: incomplete info, conflicting instructions, vague requirements. The goal? To see how the model behaves under pressure, not just when everything's perfect. And yes, it's open source, so you can peek under the hood yourself. Check the link if you want to play along. Okay, what makes this lab special? 3 big things. First, it doesn't just check if the answer is grammatically correct. It digs deeper using the DIKWP layers. Did it use relevant data? Did it understand the information? Apply knowledge correctly, make sensible judgments? Stay on purpose, that's the depth. Second, those tricky 3-no tests. Real-world inputs are messy, right? Sometimes data is missing, sometimes instructions contradict each other, sometimes requirements are just fuzzy. This lab forces muscles to deal with that messiness, showing us their true capabilities and limitations. Third, everything is recorded and reviewable. No more black boxes. You can trace the prompts, see the responses, analyze failures, compare models. It's all transparent. This helps build trust and actually improve things. How does this magic happen? It follows a clear workflow. You start with your target model or system. Then define a specific scenario. Next, design the DIKWP layers for that scenario. What data should it use? What info relations identify, etc. Then construct those challenging 3-no inputs. Feed them to the model, capture its response, and then perform a semantic check against your expectations based on the DIKWP design. If it fails, classify the failure. Finally, generate a detailed report. This structured approach turns scattered evaluation efforts into clear, actionable insights you can actually review and use to improve prompts or even the system itself. So why should you care about this? Because it shifts the focus from just getting an answer to understanding how the model arrives there. This matters for picking the right model, teaching students about evaluation, ensuring responsible AI use, and even auditing systems. It gives us a demonstrable, structured way to look inside the LLM's mind. That's the power of DIKWP, the WhiteBox EvalLab V1. It makes evaluation less about guesswork and more about insight.